And thanks to our viewers for continue to support us. Without your support, we won't be able to do it alone. So thank you so much for your continued support.
Welcome to Aii Talks Season 2, and we are very honored for today because we have a wonderful, very special guest, no other than our founder, chairman, and CEO, Neak Oknha Dr. Mengly J. Quach. Let's give him a round of applause, everyone. Okay, this episode is very special. Why not give it the best for Season 2, Episode 1? May I call you Mr. Chairman, if that's fine?
Yes,
thank you so much. Okay, so Mr. Chairman, it's my pleasure to be interviewing you for today. Hopefully you're game for all of the questions that we prepared for you today.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Let's begin. So to start, we would like to know, in terms of your passion and dreams to the Cambodian education system, we know for sure that you're very passionate about it. But we would like to know further, what drives you to make this difference to the Cambodian education sector? Why is it so important and dear to your heart?
Well, first of all, I would like to let you know that I'm very happy and excited to be here, be part of your show, to answer your question. I get up every morning excited, full of energy, and also look forward to seeing my students every day and look at their face. They're happy, they're learning, they're enjoying their study, and that kind of activity and seeing their smiles every day and make their parents happy really push me one step toward another step forward moving, so that I feel that it's fulfilling my feeling and I enjoy, make me feel that I enjoy doing my work, and what I do is full of compassion, full of passionate feeling. So I feel that I am doing the right thing every day that keep me happy and also full of energy.
I agree wholeheartedly that you're doing the right thing. We are on the right direction, especially in terms of education. And speaking of that, I know for sure there are several plans outlined. Maybe you can give our viewers out there, what are the next steps for Mengly J. Quach education for AI Language Center or for American Intercon School?
Well, as we all know, MJQE education, we have AI Language Center that teach ESL, CSL, that is Chinese as a second language, and TSL, Thai as a second language. And for another school is the American Intercon School, where we have elementary to K-12. And those two schools, we have a combination of 23,000 students. With that number, we still do not have enough campuses to accommodate our students, and we don't have enough classrooms. So for this year and the following year, we will focus on expansion, expanding more campuses, building up more buildings, so that we can accommodate and enroll more students. As we know that educating young youth and Cambodian youth is very important in contributing to the leadership of Cambodia in the near future. So to me, I feel that there's so many things to do for our company that will keep me busy even more.
Okay, I'll go down to the specifics. So basically, you said there will be expansion, correct? So what are the campuses coming next for AII and AIS this year?
But this year we have 2 campuses in Tulsankai and 2 campuses in Chamkado, and 1 campus in Chom Chau, and 1 building campus in Chua Yongwa. So the total of 6 new campuses. And we look forward to 2024 with more campuses also. But basically, right now we are all full. So hopefully we'll have this building completing on time for the starting new academic year and new term.
Great news indeed. So everyone, if you're listening right now, this is good news because it means we can offer more quality education to our students. And big thanks to you, Mr. Chairman, for pushing all of these dreams come true. Now, behind all of these success, of course, Mengly J Quick Education has other, departments or units right there, like MJQ TV, who is with us right now, and also other units. So why are we focusing on other things rather than, just, chill, Mr. Chairman, just focus on education, but why are we like exploring with other things like,
Education is not just involved with teaching students, not involved with education or institution alone. Education has to involve with many activities that keep students busy and help students process their mind, and also help students involved with the community, helping doing social work and so on. And the Mengly J Foundation that do many charity work such as mobile clinic, blood banking, food banking, and so on, and disaster relief that helps the community and also allow students to join so that they take part in the social work and the charity work. And this is the foundation for our education company. In addition to that, we have the MJQ TV, and it plays a vital role in distributing educational information, and I provide series by series episode, and you can see that there's a lot of viewers on TV. And thanks to our viewers for continue to support us. Without your support, we won't be able to do it alone. So thank you so much for your continued support.
And I think we owe our viewers also for having this wonderful, YouTube award right there. And hopefully we can achieve better goals, maybe target the goal. Okay, no pressure, MJQ TV, but
hopefully we get the goal soon.
Yes. And I think that is not impossible with all the hard work, with all the perseverance that we have right now. Now, Mr. Chairman, I know that this could be tiring sometimes, pushing a lot, being the beacon, being like the person who drives everyone to be at their best. Do you not get tired of all of this?
Well, actually, it's the opposite. It's a very passionate thing that I'm doing. It's something that I always interested in. It's my passion in education. So it makes me happy, and I get full of energy. Every morning I wake up, I feel this strive to go forward and make sure that my teacher are happy, my students are happy, and students are learning, and activity are going on, and things are moving forwards, and make sure that we have classroom for our students, and we have all the service ready for our staff and teacher. So it keeps me busy, and it keeps me to have interests, and to me, it's something that I'm yearn forward to all the time. And I'm very fortunate and very lucky that I found my passion, and I like doing what I'm doing. So rather than being tired, it is actually quite surprising that I have lived a very happy life on what I'm doing right now.
So it's like you're getting all these good energies with the people around you, with all the support of the people around you. And I think everyone right here, if we have that same mindset, I think nothing is impossible in achieving our dreams. But sadly, just a little bit of segue, sometimes not only for Cambodian society, but we've heard a lot of bad news about people getting depressed, getting down, having a lot of anxieties, having mental breakdown. What do you think is your advice for people like them? I think in my life, I have to be honest, I've gone through that path also. Like I've been very depressed. I have been feeling a lot of anxiety. And then I think I had a one moment talk with you to kind of shape it in the right frame. But there are also other people right there in need clarity about it. What do you think is your message for them?
Well, it's very sad that Cambodia have many problems just like any other country. But because of our structure, our makeup in the society, we see that there's so many youth facing mental illness. As a doctor seeing a patient every day, I see that there's problem with domestic violence, there's problem with financial hardship, there's problem with misunderstanding between parents and students, and there's a lot of other things that make our youth very depressed, and a lot of them go through anxiety and depression, and they don't know where to go. And sadly enough, I can't help all of them, but I just want to encourage them to continue to seek help and find support through friends and family, and try to release your stress by relax, and also go for help. Especially, it's not something to be ashamed of. There is some stigma that people say that you have mental illness, you are crazy. That's not the case. Everyone have it once in their lifetime, sometimes later in life, sometimes earlier in life, but it could be treated, it could be helped if you continue to seek help and find support throughout your peer, especially, and also your parents. Let them know that you are facing this problem. And very sad to find out also that Cambodia lists top #1 as the most depressed country, and it's quite disturbing to see that. Hopefully we will have more service available, but luckily in our school we have student health center and doctor to help support our students.
Yes, I would just like to capitalize on what Mr. Chairman shared, that the support system is very important. So it could start with the family members or with your friends if you don't get that at home, or also seeking for professional help. For seeking for professional help, I know there's limited resource, but if in case they would like to reach out to us, do you think the foundation or you yourself can offer this support as well?
Well, actually, I'm one of the doctors here that see patients and mostly mental illness and mental health issue. But because there's so many, I have over 10,000 patients, so it takes so long to see each patient by the time the appointment comes. So I would recommend that you seek a professional outside also. We have TPO, specialized in mental illness and mental health issue. And also you can see doctor at Russian hospital and different doctor, private practices. We have a number of doctors that specialize in mental illness. They are psychiatrists and sometimes psychologists that can help counsel you. So if you think that you need urgent help, do not wait until it's too late to see me, because of the number of patients that I have. Sometimes it takes a long time to be able to see my patient. So I just hope that you continue to seek help despite the fact that there's a limited number of doctors, but we have new graduates right now that specialize in psychiatry. So a lot of psychiatrists now practicing, so it should be helpful by now.
Yes, so there's help right there. All we need to do is to grab that, and then all we need to do is to be honest with ourselves, to truly accept that we are at that bad state, but it will go fine as time goes by.